Whoa, Brayden. Brayden having cider for his first time. Is it yummy? Don't shake it.
Hand to your side.
We don't shake a drink.
Every time we do that, you're going to add another 5
Look it.
to your time.
Say hi. Can you say Happy Thanksgiving? Oh, he has to come look at the camera. We're celebrating Thanksgiving today, honey. Say hi, Cooper.
Hi, Cooper.
Cooper, say hi.
Hi, Cooper.
Say hi, Mason.
Hi, Mason.
Mason, say hi.
Ow. Hi, Mason.
I can't see you. You're behind the cup. There you are. Hi, Mason.
Hi. I don't see you.
Well, you gotta say hi to Mommy. Everybody say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Hey, Kim.
Hey, Mama.
Say hi, Parker.
Hi, Parker.
Say hi, Cassidy.
Hi, Cassidy.
Go over here. Uh-oh, we got hidden people. Say hi, Uncle Ray.
Hi, Uncle Ray.
Say hi, Haley.
Hi, Haley.
Oh, are you still drinking your
Katie, feet together, hands.
cider? Braden's having his first try of cider. Is it yummy, Braden?
I know it.
Is it yummy cider?
I'm excited.
Say happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Oh, say love you.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Say bye.
Bye. Happy